Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Contact Us form in WordPress. First, let's choose the right tool. WordPress offers hundreds of contact form plugins. Look for one with high ratings and frequent updates. Popular choices like WP Forms, Contact Forms 7, or Fluent Forms provide excellent functionality. Think about what features you need, such as drag-and-drop builders or spam protection, before making your selection. Once you have chosen your plugin, the next step is installation. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins menu and select Add New. Use the search bar to find your selected plugin, for example, WP Forms. Click the Install Now button. After installation, a new button will appear saying Activate. Click this to enable the plugin on your website, making it ready for use. Now for the fun part, building your form. Most plugins offer an intuitive interface. Go to the Plugins menu, often labeled Forms or Contact. Click Add New to start. You can typically drag and drop fields like name, email address, and message. Remember to customize labels and mark essential fields as required. Don't forget to set up email notifications so you receive submissions promptly. With your form built, it's time to display it on your website. Create a new page, perhaps titled Contact Us, or edit an existing one. Most plugins provide a shortcode or a dedicated block for easy embedding. Simply paste the shortcode or add the block to your page. Finally, publish the page. Before celebrating, submit a test entry yourself to ensure everything works perfectly and you receive the notification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.